ever anchor overnight, probably one of the biggest problems you'll have is a coffee. I need one right now, just woken up. I'm going to be trying a new device, this little 12 volt espresso unit, trying to stay nice and quiet. Let's see how we go. Welcome back to the Rudder. Welcome aboard, Antoinette. We are at anchor. It's early in the morning. I look like a mess and probably shouldn't be making a video. Brooke is still asleep and I'm in desperate need of a coffee. If you have a look at the channel, you probably know we use a generator and an espresso out the back. Got to pull the generator out, espresso, lots of noise. Not so good at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I found this little device. It's a 12 volt espresso maker from Wanderer. It was at BCF here in Australia. I'm going to see how it goes. Look, we're not aiming for a cafe awesome espresso. We're aiming for some caffeine to go into my noggin and make me think a bit better without it tasting horrible. I haven't done anything, which is probably not a good idea to be trying to do this video so early in the morning. So yeah, it's 12 volt. Great for traveling and camping. So yeah, it takes about 5 minutes to heat it up, it says. Let's see what we've got. Something. What's that say? I think that's so you can make coffee with grounds. Okay, there's the main unit. Big button. Screw off the button. Okay. Let's see what else we have. And a cigarette style charger, so that's going to be how we power this bad boy. Alright, give me a second. I'm going to work out how this all works and we'll see how we go. So just as the sun comes up and I get in desperate need for more of a coffee, I had to read the instructions and found a few more things. So if you undo the top, there's the water compartment, but there was also some other pod components. So you can do a few things. You can just have coffee grounds, like normal coffee, and then you pat it in like that and off you go. Or you can use a pod, and this one with the like perforations in the bottom, put that in there, you put this one on top of it, makes a hole, screw that together, and I'm guessing it pokes everything, and we'll put some water in the top, heat it up and see how we go. Alright, see you in a sec. So the water's heating up, it's flashing red. Got my coffee mug here. Unfortunately the only place we can do all this is right in the helm. Now I'm unsure of when it's heated up if it just starts going, so I might just put it in the coffee mug. Surely it gives you a chance to. I'll just put it like that in case it starts going automatically. Hey, let's check how much power this is using. So I've just unplugged it. You can see it's using 1.6 amps. I'm going to plug it in, and then you hold it for 1 second. Heats the water up, and so it uses about 6 amps to heat. Okay, let's see what happens.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so we got Not a bad creme. I mean, you know. Took about 5 minutes for it to heat up. Okay, Pippi's up here. Got my cup of coffee. Smells pretty good. It's strong. It's warm. It's coffee. It'll do. Alright. I hope you like that video. Check out the Wanderer little 12 volt espresso maker. Actually, probably camping shop. Not a bad little unit. Quite quiet. And a decent cup of coffee in about 5 minutes. So I'll take that. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And otherwise, we'll see you next time on the Rudder.